Stop struggling with constant distracting buzzes during your workout. Learn how to turn off Fitbit zone notifications on your Charge 6 in just a few minutes and get your focus back. Those heart rate zone notifications on your Fitbit. Charge 6 are designed to help, but when you're in the zone, they can completely break your focus. It's time to take control and silence those persistent vibrations once and for all. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. If you've ever been in the middle of a great run or a focused lift, and your wrist just won't stop vibrating every time your heart rate changes, you know how frustrating it can be. That buzz is the active zone minute notification, and while it's designed to be helpful, it can completely break your concentration. You're in the right place because we're going to fix that today. Before we turn them off, let's quickly understand what they are. Fitbit's active zone minutes are a fantastic way to track your effort. Your Charge 6 monitors your heart rate and awards you points based on how hard you're working. It breaks this down into 3 main zones: fat burn, which is light to moderate effort, cardio for more intense work, and peak for all-out effort. You get 1 point per minute in the fat burn zone and 2 points for every minute in cardio or peak. The notifications you're getting are your watch telling you, hey, you've just entered a new zone. This is great for interval training or if you're targeting a specific intensity. But for steady workouts or activities like yoga, it can be overkill, so let's customize it. Okay, let's get this done. Step 1. Wake up your Fitbit Charge 6 by tapping the screen or raising your wrist. You should be on your main clock face. From here, you're going to swipe down from the top of the screen. You'll swipe past your quick settings like Do Not Disturb and Screen Wake. Keep swiping down until you see the big settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 2. Perfect. Now that you're in the settings menu, you need to scroll through these options. You're going to swipe up to move down the list. Keep swiping up past display settings and vibrations. You're looking for an option that says AZM notifications. AZM is just short for active zone minutes. Once you find it, you'll see a toggle switch next to it that is currently on. Simply tap that toggle switch. It will turn gray, indicating that the notifications are now off, and that's it. No more constant buzzing when you change heart rate zones. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful and you're happy to have a quieter workout, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others who are searching for the same solution find this guide. Okay, back to it. Pro tip. Now that you know how to turn them off, let's briefly talk about when you might want to turn them back on. These alerts are a powerful training tool. If you're doing high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, these notifications are perfect. They give you instant feedback that you've hit your target cardio or peak zone. The same goes for if your goal is specifically fat burning. The buzz confirms you're staying in that moderate fat burn zone and not pushing too hard. So my advice is to keep them off for your general, steady-state workouts where focus is key, but consider turning them back on for those specific, goal-oriented training sessions. It's all about making your Fitbit workout settings work for you. And there you have it! In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to turn off zone notifications on your Fitbit Charge 6. No more distracting buzzes. You can now enjoy your workouts with uninterrupted focus, and you also know how to manage all your notifications for the perfect session every time. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tips to get the most out of your fitness tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what's another Fitbit feature that you find confusing? I might cover it in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.